Thank you for watching, and remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support.
Welcome back into Weather Underground. A lot of stories like that coming out of these tornadoes from Friday into Saturday morning.
So many buildings that collapse, so many people inside. This is the middle of the night, right? When you're in your home, it's where you are in your home, right? You're just trying to find any place in your home to be safe.
Yeah, I want to hear each and every one of these stories because the more we know about what happened, the more we can learn to save lives in the future.
Yeah, both on the meteorology scale, on the social science scale. You know, it just helps our warnings hopefully continue to get better. Well, I'm Alex Wilson here with Mike Bettis, Dr. Rick Knabb. We've also got Dave Malkoff. He's spending the day on the ground in Mayfield, Kentucky, where survivors are picking up the pieces this after that EF3 tornado tore through neighborhoods, leveling everything. All right, Jordan Steele, thank you so much. We're going to get back out to Jordan, by the way. Also want to break down the next severe threat coming. You know, Mike, December, a month we certainly can see severe weather already have, and so got to watch tomorrow, too.
More wind than it does tornadoes, which will be a blessing for sure.
Would be a blessing, yeah. You just got to prepare yourself for the wind, the possibility of falling trees. Always an issue with these kind of storms. Well, coming up on, you know, we need the snow, we need the rain, but unfortunately, too much of a good thing we know causes plenty of problems. All right, let's take a peek at where those winter alerts are currently in effect. We've got the winter storm watches, winter storm warnings, even winter weather advisories posted for portions of the West. When we look at the Sierras in particular, though, we've also got those avalanche warnings in effect up towards the Mammoth Lakes areas and all the way up towards Truckee. So we're concerned about the instability of the snow as well. You know, we were talking about that last week. We've got that weaker layer covered with some more snow, and that can lead to avalanche problems. A picture of what's been going on right now in the West, and you can see that rain across the southern part of the state, but as Dr. Knabb mentioned, we get up into the higher elevations and we got some big snow coming down, and again, that will add snow onto the already, weakened snowpack in some of these areas. So backcountry skiing, not what you want to be out there doing right now, and at the resorts, luckily, they are watching and mitigating that avalanche risk. We've also got some big snow coming across parts of Nevada. Sierra snowpack since the start of, or rather since mid-December, we're looking at the north only 9% of average, 22% of average in the central, 27% of average in the south. So it's necessary snow, just going to come with its complications. Our meteorologist Jordan Steele is on the ground there in the town of Truckee, California. Jordan, of course, the road conditions not ideal, and then the avalanche concerns. Again, it's good news to get the snow, but we got to be smart about the dangers. Also have that water supply. There's all good news when it comes to snow here across this part of the country. Winter storm watches, winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories remain in effect through tomorrow across portions of the West. By the way, also have those avalanche warnings up from areas like Truckee down to communities south of Big Pine. So they're going to be doing the avalanche mitigation, of course, at the resorts. But if you're doing any backcountry skiing or in some of these areas, even hiking, just being out there, be aware that the avalanche risk is certainly present. In terms of where the snow is right now, you can see parts of the Sierras getting in on the big snow into Nevada, up into parts of Idaho, northern Utah, into Montana as well. A closer look at where Jordan is up here into the California mountains. We continue to get in on the snow. The deeper the shade of blue, the heavier the snow. So again, it is coming down, but with that snowpack already present, having some weakened layers, that's why we've got to watch for that danger of avalanches. Sierra snowpack as of December 10th, and we looked at our water equivalent and the percent of average. You see across the northern Sierra, 9%, 22% in the central, 27% in the south. So really needed snow, and already we've made some of that up here in the north. Now we're at 38% of average as of today, and then central 38% of average, south 34% of average. So those numbers moving up, still have a ways to go. And of course, we need the rain too, Dr. Knabb.
We do.